matey. That should do it.
Bastard!
Oh no! It's the Plane Scorchers! Whatever will we do?
Well, I know what I'll be doing. Leaving.
Hey! Wait!
We walked right into his trap.
At this juncture, no amount of energy will avail us.
We just let the world get consumed?
It's all vanishing before our eyes.
To think that others have gone the same way as well. What a shame.
There has to be something we can do. Right, Stola?
At the moment, there is but one recourse.
Then let's do it!
We must retreat.
Materia needs to know what's been happening. She'll know better than us how to put a stop to this.
Fiends that devour dimensions.